This module gives tuition on using the Bible dictionary. The app contains several Bible dictionaries, including Strong's Concordance. You can search by word or phrase, choose from all or selected dictionaries, and view a full alphabetical index. To open the Bible dictionary, tap the icon with the double letter A. The Bible dictionary screen is divided into three parts: the search control at the top, search filters, and the alphabetical index. The app provides a powerful way to search for a word, phrase, or topic within multiple Bible dictionaries simultaneously. Tap on the top text box control to enter your search phrase. Use the virtual keyboard at the bottom of the screen. To begin your search, either tap the Enter button on the keyboard or tap the magnifying glass at the top right. An animated icon will appear to let you know that the app is searching. When completed, a list of results will appear. You can swipe them up and down to view the full list. Tap on a result to open the definition panel. The definition panel displays the topic and meaning. Each Bible dictionary offers a variety of information, with some containing related Bible passages or references. To close the panel, tap the X or anywhere in the dark background. Tap the arrow at the top right of the screen to view the search results option. You can choose how to order results and change the size of text to make it easier to see them. To help you narrow your search results, use filters. Filters let you choose which Bible dictionaries to search, languages, and topic names only. Tap the first control to view a list of Bible dictionaries within the app. A panel will appear at the bottom of the screen. The default is to search within all versions, but you can choose one or more from this list by tapping the box beside it. Tap Done, then the search button will begin to search. If the version has an orange or yellow cloud, it means it needs to be downloaded before it can be used. Tap on the orange cloud to mark it for download. Then tap the Sync button to open the sync screen. Connect to the internet and sync to save marked dictionaries to your device. For instructions on cloud colors, view the resources tutorial. By default, the app searches dictionaries in all languages. You can change this to only match the languages in your settings. This will be covered in a later tutorial. The app searches for text within a word's topic name and definition by default. You can change this to only search for a topic name by tapping this control. The Bible dictionary screen lets you view a full list of topics using an alphabetical index. Tap on a letter to view a list of topics beginning with that letter. Swipe up and down to view the full list. Tap on a topic to open related entries. A list of related results will show. Tap on a topic to open the definition panel. The Strong's Concordance indexes every word in the Bible and their meaning. Each word has an assigned reference or Strong's number. Words in Hebrew have a prefix of H, while Greek words start with G. The app incorporates the Strong's Concordance within the Bible screens, the Strong's Reference screen and Bible Dictionary screen. To view only Strong's Reference results within the Bible Dictionary, tap the Dictionary Versions control at the top. The Versions panel will open at the bottom. Tap the box beside Strong's Concordance to select it. Make sure no other versions are selected, then press Done. When you perform a search, only Strong's references will display. Swipe up and down to view the full list. You have now completed this module. To recap, close this video, then press the Start button to complete the summary questions before proceeding to the next module.